Today I'm going to make some Khichi, Papdi Lot. You need 4 mug full of water, which I've put in this saucepan, and the same mug you'll use later for putting your flour in, which is rice flour I've got here. So 2 mugs of rice flour to 4 of water. The other thing you'll need is 3 tablespoonfuls of jeera, 1 tablespoonful of sesame seeds, and some chilies. I've used about 2 to 3 chilies in here. If they're very hot, then make sure you take some seeds out of the chilies like I've done here. So put all this in here. The whole mixture goes in. Just rinse it out with the water in there. It all goes in. There you go. Switch this on, and you'll need 3 teaspoonfuls, 2 to 3 of salt. I would just put 2 to start off with, depending on your taste. I've just done that earlier. This is all done. Now let this boil, and at the same time you need 1 teaspoon full of caro. It's called Papdi Lot, or you can use bicarbonate of soda. This is from an Indian shop. Sorry, just about a teaspoonful. If you don't have that, then bicarbonate of soda is the same thing. Let it boil and you'll see it rising. Turn the heat down and make sure that it's just simmering for about 5 minutes. So I'm just going to let it simmer in there. Now this has been boiling for about 6 minutes, so it's really ready now to put the rice flour in. The other thing I do is I put about a teaspoonful of fresh lemon juice, or any lemon juice, just a teaspoon. There you go. Right, here goes. That's 1 and 2. As soon as you put in, you need to start stirring it, and just lower the heat a bit more. There it goes, and make sure you stir it. You really need to start stirring at this point. Now, as you can see, it's still quite watery. Just keep on stirring. This is where somebody can help you stir it. It's really crucial to do that. I'm just going to, because it's just a little bit too soft, I'm just going to add a little bit, about a tablespoonful of more rice flour than my measurement. There you go. Turn the heat off, and at this point you might find it's quite, you might start coughing, sneezing. Make sure all your windows are open and keep on stirring it. Now what I normally do is I would just put it straight into this bowl, which I've greased earlier, and also make sure you've got a steamer ready with a greased metal plate in there for the next stage. So I'm going to put this all in here and leave it to cool down for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to whisk it in my mixture, but you can keep on stirring it or knead it afterwards. Now that's cooled down and I've thoroughly mixed it, then what you can do is get some water in a bowl, wet your hands a bit, get a bit of Khichi, just do a little round ball, flatten it down, and this is heating up here in the steamer, and just put them in. There's another one. And I made some earlier. I'm just going to quickly put them all in and steam it in there for about 5 minutes, and they'll be ready to eat then. You can still taste them, but this isn't cooked yet. They're nice when they're steamed. Just close the lid should be ready in 10 minutes. They're nicely done. So I'm going to take one out. It's nice and soft. Really soft actually. There you go. Now I make this dressing for it. It's lemon juice, half a lemon juice, 3 to 4 tablespoonfuls of oil, bit of salt, and you can use paprika. And I'm going to just put this all over the khichi. And I think somebody's really hungry to try it. Mukesh, would you like to try it?
Oh, Bina, thank you.
Bit hot.
Truly amazing.